Hi guys, welcome back to another video this week. Today we're going to be making a tuna salad. This tuna salad, you can eat it on a sandwich or you can eat it like a dip. Since this recipe doesn't have any red meat in it, this can also be eaten tomorrow for Good Friday. For the ingredients, we're going to be needing 3 cans of tuna. Make sure that whenever you go buy your tuna, you grab the tuna that has water in it. Don't grab the one that has oil in it, because we're going to be adding mayonnaise to this later, and that's going to be adding more grease into the salad. I'm going to be using 3 cans of tuna. Each can is 5 ounces. We're also going to be using 1 can of roasted corn. Now my corn already has salt in it, but if yours doesn't, make sure you add a little bit of salt to this. We're also going to be needing 1 avocado. We're going to be using half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to recommend this brand. 1/4 of a red onion, or you can also use a white onion, between 1 to 2 Roma tomatoes, and I'm going to be using about half of the iceberg lettuce, but you can also use Romain heart lettuce. I just like the iceberg because I feel like it's juicier. We're going to start off by cutting the iceberg lettuce. You have to make sure that you pre-wash your lettuce. We're going to cut it into smaller pieces, the smallest that you can. We're also going to cut the tomato as small as you can. We're going to cut them into little small little cubes. If you want to add cilantro, you can add cilantro to this recipe. I just didn't have cilantro at my house at this time. But you can also add cilantro, and you can also add a cucumber. Now, I didn't have cucumber nor cilantro in my house, so I did not add it to this recipe. But it'll be good if you added it. I'm using the canned Serranos, so I'm going to be chopping about 4 canned Serranos. I'm also going to be cutting up a couple of the carrots. For your onion, you want to make sure you have it into small pieces. If you like the chunks of pieces of onion, go ahead and put it there, but I don't like the taste of onion that much, so I'm going to put it in smaller pieces so I won't taste it as strong. After we're done cutting everything, we're going to drain the tuna. Make sure you remove all the water that's in there with the colander. We're going to add it to the mixture. It's going to be about half a cup of mayonnaise. You can use any type of mayonnaise that you want, but I would recommend the brand that I said because it has a hint of lime on there as well. We're also going to be draining our corn, and we're also going to be adding it to the salad. I already had half an avocado in there, so I'm going to be using that half an avocado, cut it into smaller pieces, and we're going to be adding it to the salad. I'm going to be adding half an avocado. I've had this avocado in the fridge, so I'm going to be adding it to there as well. So in total, I'm going to be adding 1.5 avocados. I'm also going to be adding some of the juice from the pickles, Serranos that I had. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of juice on that. With the glove, you're going to get your glove and you're going to mix it all together. You kind of want to mush it. My salad needed a little bit of more mayonnaise on here, so I'm adding more. This video is not sponsored by this mayonnaise, but I really love this mayonnaise just because it gives it a different flavor than your traditional American mayonnaise. I've tried to search for it at Walmart where all the mayonnaise are at, but it's not there. If you go to the Hispanic section at Walmart, you're gonna find it there. Make sure to get the one that has a hint of lime on it as well. It doesn't really taste like lime, but it has a different flavor to it, so make sure you get that one with the lime on it. And we're gonna be using half a cup of that. If we weren't going through the situation we're going on right now, this could be a good idea for like a potluck. If everybody brings a little bit of food to share with everybody, this would be a good snack. Or like if everybody is getting together for like Easter Sunday, this would be a good idea. Like snacking sandwiches, you can cut them into 4s, put it on a tray, and then bring it to a party. This would be a good idea for that as well. It's something that you can make within just a few minutes if you just want like a quick snack, or if you want it for like a side. I usually do this whenever I'm cooking something else and I want a side of it. You can do it with chicken milanesas or beef milanesas. If anybody knows what milanesas are, they're either beef or chicken. They're very thin and breaded and fried. They're really good. I'll do a recipe on that as well. This is a snack for me. I'm going to be serving it on a plate with some chips. If you have salsa valentina or tapatio, this would be another option that you can do. You can add some hints on there. You can also add some salt and pepper to this. Alright guys, this is all for today's recipe. Don't forget to come back next week for another recipe. I hope that everyone's staying safe inside their homes. Don't forget to comment down below what other recipe you would want me to make next. Follow me on my Instagram page and on my TikTok page. I'm going to be leaving the links down below on the description. Subscribe to our channel to be part of our family and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video, and so I can give you an idea of what to make that night. Remember, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you loved it, share with your friends, and we'll see you next week. Bye!